Want to win at chess in just a few moves? It all starts before you even touch a piece. Planning ahead is everything. It's a mental battle of wits before the physical one begins, especially when you're facing different skill levels. Playing against a pro? They've memorized countless opening lines and have traps ready. You need to be extra careful from move one. A casual player, however, can be just as dangerous with their unpredictable moves. But here's the secret. Every piece, from the humble pawn to the mighty queen, has incredible power. While there's no exact roadmap to victory, since every opponent is different, you must have a master plan. This core strategy guides your decisions. Control the center, develop your pieces, and get your king to safety. Always be ready to adapt, because seizing unexpected opportunities is the true beauty of chess. A great way to start is by controlling the center. Move the pawn in front of your king or queen and the rook. This stakes your claim on the board's most critical territory and opens lines for your other pieces. From there, focus on developing your knights and bishops, preparing to castle your king into a safe haven. This frees up your rook or bishop and queen to jump into action. These active pieces are now breathing and ready to control the board. Now start attacking. Your goal is to create constant pressure, forcing your opponent into tough choices that disrupt their plans. Make them choose. Lose a valuable piece or scramble to protect their king. This is how you seize the initiative and dictate the game's flow. Use your bishop early to target the opponent's rook before pawns crowd the board. This simple move can disrupt their entire setup. Get your rook to the opposite side where their king lives. A rook on the 7th rank is a true monster. Coordinate with your queen to box the king in completely for the final blow. Let's break it down. A strong start often involves moving the pawn in front of your rook, then the pawn in front of your king. These moves are powerful because they stake a claim in the center of the board, the most critical territory in the game. With those pawns advanced, your queen and bishop now have clear, open diagonals to join the battle. This is called development, getting your powerful pieces off the back rank and into positions where they can influence the game. Watch your opponent closely. Use your long-range bishops to pin their pieces, and bring your knights out in tricky L-shaped attacks. A well-placed knight can fork a king and queen, a devastating tactic that can win the game on the spot. The end game is about creating a mating net. Lock down the final ranks with your rook and queen, systematically cutting off every escape square. When the king is attacked and has nowhere to run, that's checkmate. The game is over. Remember, offense must be balanced with defense. Before you attack, always ask, are my own pieces safe? Don't leave your valuable pieces hanging. Think of it like a high-stakes video game. But here you're thinking twice about every single move, anticipating your opponent's strategy and making calculated decisions. Learn the language of chess. Every piece contributes something unique, and they are strongest when they work together. Combine any two pieces effectively, like a bishop and a rook controlling key squares, and your winning chances skyrocket. Once you start to see these patterns and speak its language, chess becomes an incredibly rewarding and fun experience. Happy chess playing.